Here's how to downgrade on TurboTax. So the unfortunate truth is not everyone will be able to downgrade. You can all clear and start over for free if you want to, but you can downgrade if you're on one of the do-it-yourself plans. So in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to see this switch products drop down. And we drop that down and we're going to see upgrade, downgrade, and clear and start over. You might not see downgrade. We'll talk about that in a second. But if you do see downgrade, you can click on that and it's going to downgrade you to TurboTax Free Edition. You're going to lose out on whatever the deluxe or premium was, the features and stuff. But if you don't need them, then you can just downgrade to the free edition just like that. And you don't lose all the stuff that's in your return unless it required deluxe or whatever. But all your information and everything is in there, so you don't have to start over. Now, if you're on one of these other products, I'm just going to show you. When I go to upgrade, there's the do-it-yourself tab. That you can downgrade from. The real experts helping you, if you're on one of these, and it could be by accident, these don't let you downgrade to free. They just basically force you to clear and start over, unfortunately. And so that's this lower left-hand corner again, clear and start over. And when we do that, and you want to clear your tax data, you can, if you want to, before you do that, you can go into the tax tools at the bottom here, and there is a section called Print Center, and you should be able to preview your return, or maybe even print it, maybe download a PDF, maybe do something like that with this button here, and hopefully you can see some of the data that you entered. But otherwise, you are just clearing everything and starting over. But if you want to start over for free, you want to start over paying the least amount possible, then you're going to want to skip the first set of questions that TurboTax asks you. So after this lady who's waving at us, you skip all of these. Don't worry about these. This isn't anything to do with your tax return. This has to do with them recommending you the product they think you should use. So we'll hit continue, and then we'll say we're comfortable doing our own taxes. We can always get help if we need it. And then we hit continue again. And now TurboTax says, well, I guess you should maybe just file for free if you can. And so there's a $0 do it yourself. This is the basic one that everyone else could downgrade to. And not everyone qualifies. 37% or so can file this simple tax return, but everyone can start for free until you run into something with your tax situation that has you upgrade. You can just pick the minimum or cheapest upgrade at that point. You answer this now for what applies to you. And in my case, I did file my own taxes, so I'm going to answer it that way. Hit continue, and now it's going to take us to that dashboard again, where we can enter in our information and all that stuff. So that is, and now we're on free as well. If we go to price preview, we're going to see what product we're on. We're on the do-it-yourself free edition, so TurboTax Free Edition. And so that's kind of how to downgrade here on TurboTax. If you're on the do-it-yourself plans, you can downgrade to free. If you're not, you have to clear and start over. And then if you do have to pay anything, there's an affiliate link that helps support this channel in the description, and it gets you 20% off whatever TurboTax product you might have to pay for. So I appreciate your support. That's how you can downgrade in TurboTax. I'll see you in the next one.